Hardy geraniums, also known as cranesbill geraniums, due to their unique seed pod shape, are a diverse group of flowering perennials. They are distinct from the more common annual geraniums, which are actually pelargoniums and are perennial but only in their own habitat. Where around here, where they are not hardy, we grow them as annuals, so they're actually tender perennials. Hardy geraniums are valued for their versatility and long blooming and relatively low maintenance. They return year after year, and they're very nice in your flower bed mixed with other flowers. And they're typically small 5-shaped petals in different colors of pink, magenta, blue, and purple and violet. I've got a few varieties here. The foliage varies according to which variety you're looking at, and most prefer full sun to partial shade, while some like a lot of shade, especially in hot climates. They like a lot of various different soil types. Most plants I find like a lot of organic material, like leaves and other things, and well drained. You can't go wrong with well drained, humus rich soil. After they're established, they don't need as much water, but when you first plant them, and I think we usually get them as bare root. All of the ones I've gotten as bare root. And so you can give them a light application of granular fertilizer in early spring, or a 2-inch layer of compost, or a lot of organic material or mulch around them. They don't need to be pruned or deadheaded or anything like that. The ones I've got have never been bothered by any kinds of diseases at all. They are hardy in zones 3 through 9, and I use them all over in my garden. They just look nice everywhere. Some of the varieties are Rozanne, yeah, and they're just different colors of flowers, mostly the same shape, or bloody cranesbill. And Johnson blue is the most common one. Cranesbill geraniums are one of my favorite garden flowers, and they're easy to grow. Once you get them started, and you just order them bare root from one of your favorite seed catalogs and plant them. And just when you first plant them, give them lots of water until they start growing. And by next year, they will be blooming and a very nice addition to your garden. And if you enjoyed this video, can you please like and subscribe to my channel? And I will talk to you next time. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.